Hi, I opened this, excuse me, I opened this, your plan in Chief Architect X6. I'm going to open plan defaults and check that, allow editing and select home designer products. So when I repost the file, you'll be able to continue to open it and work on the file. When I first saw your post, yesterday, I thought to myself, well, he's screwed. If all you have is um, home designer suite, there's really not much you can do with a roof, especially one like this. But I thought I'd go ahead and work this and show you what can be done, like in Home Designer Pro, or of course Chief Architect. Pro and Chief have the same roof tools, and which allows you to just click on a roof plane. I'm going to delete that one. You just can't do this in anything except Pro or Chief. I'm just going to straighten this out and then repost the file. Like this junk here, reshape it. Not sure exactly how it's going to fit together, but I want to have this roof plane here wrap all the way around, like this. And there's a tool in Home Designer Pro called Join Roof Planes. So when you're moving things around, they tend to get disconnected. We'll resize that. And I'm going to move this back so it snaps to that end there. We have a tool called break lines. I'm going to left click on that line and break it up into two lines so I can wrap around this. And I reckon this edge here, I'm going to select it, will join to that new edge I just created. It did, okay. And then this slides down to here. I think that's it. That's how easy it can be if you have Home Designer Pro or Chief Architect. And I think that's probably, if I was going to build this house in the field, this is how I'd want the roof. You didn't share a picture of your house, so I'd have to guess that this is correct. Except this probably, there's probably a wall across here. I'm just guessing. But see, when you name a room a deck, by default, a deck room doesn't have a ceiling. So we'll put the ceiling back in manually. You can do this in Suite. Yeah, bingo. Now we got a ceiling and it fills in that missing wall. And this is probably not exactly correct. Okay, you probably don't have a ceiling in this thing either. Yeah, that should fix that. Yeah. Well, this seems to be the wrong material. Of course, I don't have a picture of your house, but you can change the material on these walls. I think generally this is looking better. It's not perfect, but I think it's better, improved. Not having a picture of your house, I can't really do much more. But I can send this file back to you and you can continue working it. Just don't build roofs. Don't go over here to the build roof dialog. If you have auto rebuild roofs on, don't turn it off. Don't use that anymore. Because then you'll be right back to where you were. And that's just the way something like Suite, which was cost what, $100, $200, something like that. That's what you get. You spend $495 for Pro, then you can do something about most anything once you learn how to use the tools. So I guess that's it. In the video, I hope this helps you in some way. Thank you for watching.